promise you I'd never seen eyes as beautiful as yours on that night. I guess it's true, one girl can steal the room. I promise I was hooked on your every word. I fucking loved everything that I heard. And even your voice, to me, was amazingly cute. I know I couldn't leave you on the doorstep with a bite. I had to kiss your lips and say goodnight. At that moment, I knew I was falling for you. And I can't believe how you let me go now. I gave you my heart, it was yours to keep. And I can't think right, you're stuck on my mind. I guess I'll pray that tomorrow is a better day. How can someone so new make me smile and make me feel like I'm worth a while? I'll tell you now, I'll never forget that January night. I even stayed awake to make sure you were safe. I left you my hoodie to get you through the day. There's nothing more I could have done to prove I'm right. And I can't believe how you let me go now. I gave you my heart, it was yours to keep. And I can't think right, you're stuck on my mind. I guess I'll pray that tomorrow is a better